part 2 of building Spotify web application with React. In this part, we will start building our Spotify web application. Before we get started, we need to learn some little basics. So the first one is what is React? React is a JavaScript library that creates user interfaces in a predictable and efficient way using components. You can use it to help build single page application and mobile apps, or to build complex apps if you utilize it with the other libraries. Now the next question comes in. What are components in React? Essentially, components are usable UIs which allow you to split app into separate blocks that act independently of each other. Components accept an arbitrary input with data and return a React element to declare what would appear on screen. For example, let's take a look at a Spotify app we're going to build in this tutorial. You can see I highlighted the components in the app: header, play bar at bottom, playlist, and etc. All of these are components. It is also possible for component to have multiple components as its children. For example, our app component contains all the components in it. Now you know the basic theory of React. Let's see this in action in our project that we set up in the last video. First, delete everything except app.js, app.cs, index.js, and index.css. Now remove the imports of files that we deleted in index.js and in app.js. Copy and paste the CSS I given in the description. Place the CSS inside index.css in your project index.css file. Do the same for the app.css in your project. Create folder name components in src folder. Next, create another folder inside component folder called header. Then inside of the header folder, create header.js and header.css. Again, copy and paste the header.css given in the description in your project. Now open header.js. First import React like so, and the header.css file in the header.js after React. Now create a component name header which accepts a display name as props. Now return the header tag from the component. Then inside of that header tag add the nav element and create some div inside of that nav like so. Then at the end export the component like so. Then open app.js and remove everything that is returned by the component. Header from the components folder like so. Then return the header from the app component and pass the display name prop to the header component with a dummy value. In future we will fetch this from the Spotify app. For now give it a fake value. Now save the changes and open up your browser. You might see a screen like this. Now to fix this weird big test, go back to the code editor and open index.html file in public folder and add the Google font inside the head tag like so. Now this look much better. Our header component is done. I think that's enough for now. In the next part we will create side navigation component and play bar component. Now if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe so you won't miss my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.